Hey students, I am going to update you a little bit on Unit 2. It is so important because you are forging your professional identity. And this is truly a gift to you because this will give you an edge as you look for internships and jobs. So what you, and some of you have already started, but what you want to do first is go to the Unit 2 assignment checklist. Open that up and use this to proceed through the assignments in this order because they do build on each other. First, you'll have your Enneagram and your career. It's about your career. So you will open the first document and take there's a hyperlink. You'll take the quick Enneagram quiz. You'll review my PowerPoint. That is all in this document. Then you need to open up the ebook, Strengths Quest. It's out of print, but it's valuable. So please read chapter 10. There's other great information in the book, but chapter 10 will help you on the Enneagram and your career assignment. So open that assignment, complete it, and then you will submit it. Let's see. Next is your professional mentor and interview assignment part 1. All you have to do for this is basically let me know, submit your area or areas of interest in emergency management and or homeland security. And then I will work on connecting you with a mentor and setting up an interview for you later in the semester. I encourage you to download the Pathway of Professionalism because it is something that sets you and this program apart from the rest of the programs in the country, actually in the world. On the certifications and licenses assignment, what you want to do is go through the resources folder first, and it will link you to various certifications and licenses. But you can also search for your own, and you probably already have some of your own. So after you go through those resources and do a little bit of your own research, you will then complete the certifications and license assignment. In the folder, there's your assignment, but you also have 2 PDFs. These are examples of previous students' certifications and licenses assignments, so you know kind of what the expectation is. Next, this is very important. LinkedIn is your power tool in emergency management and homeland security. So what you want to do is click on the link and read through the assignment, and it includes pro tips. You also have some pro tips in the description, but use canva.com. It's free. Use that to create your profile, your photo, and your banner on LinkedIn. And you will also connect with some groups and start following folks that are in your area of interest. This is the way to build mentors or to build relationships with folks that you could not possibly jet around the country and meet on your own. So really work hard on this assignment and work on LinkedIn throughout your time in the program. Next, you will create a digital business card. All 3 of the examples that I provide are free. You can make one with Blink, B-L-I-N-Q, with that app. That's what our department uses and most of our faculty. There's also Hi Hello. I have not delved into this business card app, but at the FEMA Higher Ed Conference, there were students there utilizing it, and it was quite impressive. And then there is a little quick information, a little video about how to make a digital business card on your phone. You can just make that. You can have a professional contact and a personal contact in your smartphone. That will be required later in the course, but for now, you can text me, share that with me, and you will earn bonus points for that. Now, on your resume and your cover letter, I want to point out some key resources here. So go into that folder first. JobScan. This is something now required. You will upload a screenshot showing that you utilize this with your resume. What it does is it helps you get past those tricky, annoying human resource algorithms that'll boot you out. And so what you want to do is you're going to post a job that interests you, just a job post, and then your own resume. And you have 3 free tries on JobScan. It is so valuable. It can make a giant difference. Also, if you're wondering whether or not you need a resume or a CV, which is a curriculum vitae, it just depends. At this point, a basic resume is fine because your e-portfolio in and of itself is a CV. I just know that some of the private sector are demanding full CVs because they want to know more about their employees, their soft skills, etc. We'll talk more about that as you proceed through the program. I've also provided some examples, and let me just tell you, I started with Chat GPT to get the format for this particular example, and I'm telling you, I had to, of course, go in and tweak it, but that is a great time saver. And the artificial intelligence pulls various information from across the web. So you should have a super fantastic resume and do it quickly. Same with your cover letter. You can look at examples and be sure to use one of the AI platforms to clean it up and to tailor it. And then there's your resume and cover letter upload link. So you'll submit that. Next is your ePortfolio assignment, the information, and the upload link. But let me tell you what you're going to do. You can open that and you can look at the steps. But what's important is that you go to the ePortfolio project folder that's in content and open that. You can do the overview and go on and you can look at the checklist that's also posted with the assignment. But here's what's critical. You want to go in and look at some of the examples. These are all free. You can do your portfolio, canva.com, Weebly, Wix. There are other platforms out there. And then this is just an example of a student who got so much traction with his ePortfolio that he went ahead and did a paid domain. You're not expected to do that. So make sure you realize you don't need to pay for that. Anyway, going back to Unit 2, you will then go ahead and do your first upload of your ePortfolio. So for this, it's got the specific steps, very straightforward. And you will pick a platform, you will create your portfolio, and then you are going to link your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and then you need to upload a good quality photo of yourself, an action image of some kind. So those are the three things that you need to have going for your ePortfolio at this point. The checklist is a comprehensive checklist that next, you will complete the FEMA Independent Study IS 235 course. When you click on the link, you will see here that you have a link directly to the course on the FEMA website. So you will go there and you will complete the course, and then you will receive a certificate for doing that course. And then you will open your experiential reflection template. And this is something that you do with all of your IS courses because it links it to the academic credibility. So you are not just doing FEMA IS courses, which are basically just training and then getting academic credit for them. We're tying them back to your fundamentals in the program. So you will then upload both your completed experiential reflection as well as your certificate. Now, I provided a template, but you need to make sure that you take out brackets and make this accurate. Make this your own reflection for each course. It should be different. So keep that in mind. I've had students rushing, and if you do not clean it up and make it your own, you won't get the points. So be careful about doing that. And then last but not least, Team of Teams is a fantastic book. I no longer require it. If you purchased it, or if you want to purchase it, I do have Team of Team tests in each one of the unit folders that you can take for bonus points, but it is not required. So that's it. I know it seems like a lot, but if you process through one step at a time and keep up with it, don't wait till the last minute, then you will be successful. I extended the due date for Unit 2 by a week. So you have 2 full weeks additionally from now to complete Unit 2. It's so important that I want you to be able to spend time on that and really focus in. And don't forget that you have your CERT online certification. Takes about 10 to 12 hours to complete. So make sure that you do not wait to the last minute on that either. You are welcome to get together with other students, whether that's virtually or in person, and work on that together. Good luck on Unit 2, and please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.